volcanic stone fortresses in the country, Fort Santiago is located in the northern part of the walled city. In pre-colonial times, this was the site of Raso de Manscuta or port. The Spaniards, under the term of government General Gomez Perez Las Marinas, fortified what was originally stone structures. Other governors, General continued to make modernized Fort Santiago defenses, which make it probably laid out portion of the wall. The gate of Fort Santiago was built together with the military barracks in 1740. It was destroyed in the Battle of Manila in 1945. Like Ramuro's administration restored the gate in July 1982. Lahat, Gardas P. Romulo, Minister of Foreign Affairs, donated the funds for the relief carving. Wilfredo Lani of Venice, Pampanga, carved the wood relief sa area sa Longga with the stone carving. On this site lie the mortal remains of approximately 600 Filipinos. Their bodies found inside a nearby dungeon where victims of the atrocities perpetrated by the Japanese Imperial forces were imprisoned during the last days of February 1945. This cross marks the final resting place of approximately 600 Filipinos and Americans who were victims of atrocities during the last days of February 1945.
Santa Barbara was named after the patron saint of artillerymen, built in 1592 to protect the entrance to the Pasig River. Bolts and powder magazines added in 1599. Quarters of the artillerymen and the house of the commandant, Casa de Castellano, built in 1609. Renovation and reconstruction from 1729 to 1745, including the building of the semicircular platform, Villa Naranja. The Medyo Naranja. The U.S. Army headquarters was built in 1904, occupied by Japanese Army in 1942. Storage cells and powder magazine used as dungeons for hundreds of prisoners who were killed at the end of the war. Severely damaged during the Battle of Manila in 1945. The start from 1951 to 1967, in 1991 and 1998.
converted into a chapel cell where Philippine national hero Jose Rizal spent the night before his execution in 1896. The building was destroyed during the Battle of Manila. Renovated in 1967 by Leandro, used an open-air theater for the Philippines Education Theater Association.
Fort Santiago will be remembered forever.